All right, we got these amazing 100-piece Bible verse bracelets right here. So there's a total of 100. There are 20 different bracelets, 5 of each bracelet. So there's 5 right here. There's 5 in all these little groups right here. And let me just go ahead and get one of them right here just to give you a full vibe. So you got the rubber vibe. It is about just shy of a ½ inch thick this way. And in diameter, it's 2.6 inches. And let me just go ahead and put it on. Put one of these on just so you can see it. And so as you can see, there it is right there. These are amazing because Jesus is the truth. And the Bible is just laced with the deepest truths of the universe. This world is it's just fake BS. It is a lie, and it's just lies on lies on lies on lies. And they don't want you reading the Bible, which is why you need to read the Bible. You got all these different verses. So I got this one. It says, it's Deuteronomy 31:6, and it says, be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them. For the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. It all begins with faith. The starting point is faith. If you don't have faith, you can't fully follow the teachings in the Bible, the teachings of Jesus, or just anything in the Bible. It starts with total faith. And when you have total faith and you follow, like say, for example, you follow this verse, your faith is going to grow over time. The more you follow this teaching with faith, the more this teaching will make sense to you over time. And the more all these teachings will make sense to you. But it starts with faith. You have to have total faith, and part of having total faith is understanding that you will have doubts. That's part of faith. Doubting, faith is found in the doubts. If you don't doubt, there's no faith there. That's a fake faith. Faith is when you have faith in the midst of your doubts. Your mind is going crazy. You don't even believe, but you know, no, I do believe. And all the teachings, they make sense to you more and more over time. Let's see, we got this one. We got Ephesians 6:10. Finally, be strong in the Lord in his mighty power. Our strength is found in God. Our strength is found in our weakness. We are strong in our weakness because we are made strong in God through our weakness. If we can't be weak, God can't come into that weakness and make us strong. And if you are just strong, that's not real strength. That's fake strength. That's strength of this world. True strength is only found in God. Anyways, I'm going on and on and on because these are amazing. And Luke 10:9, I'm just going to do one more. Heal the sick who are there and tell them the kingdom of God has come near to you. These are amazing. This is just what they look like right here. Give you a full vibe. These are amazing. You got to get them. Highly recommend.